Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out this Logitech Blue Yeti microphone. Is it any good? Is it worth it? Well, you're hearing the audio come from it right now as we speak. This is the audio from the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So, it's a difference, right? I like this mic. The design on this mic is actually made of metal, very durable, sleek aluminum right here. Oh, and it's a very nice mic. It sounds very good in my opinion. It's about 140, 150 bucks retail. I've seen them for as low as like 100 bucks. I actually got it a little before Christmas for 90 bucks, and for the price, I cannot complain. It sounds very good. Before this, I had a Blue Snowball, and it did sound a bit like robotic. I could do a video maybe on that later for you guys, but this one is very, very good. Very high quality, especially for the money. Yes, there's more pro microphones, but for the money, you cannot complain about this. It also has this, I don't know, right here, this volume knob right here, and this mute button, and has a few different settings here, but honestly I prefer it on these. That's what I've been using it on, and the rest, if there's anything I need to change up slightly, I would do it in post-processing, but I like it the way it is. Now let's try a few little tests to see how it sounds. Pretty ASMR, huh? Let's try to light a candle. Good stuff right here, guys. You can't complain. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe so I can make more content for you guys.